Hi everyone and welcome to Lengthens Tips. I'm Alessia. Today I've got for you a nice flowy stretching routine. We're gonna be stretching every limb in the body, so you're gonna have those beautiful lean muscles. Don't forget to come and check out the Lengthens studio where I've got workout plans and exclusive workouts ready for you to go. Otherwise, if you're ready for this one, let's work it. Here we go, guys. Let's start nice and relaxed. Already feel the sit bones onto the ground from here. Shoulders now down and relaxed. And we're gonna go. Extend the foot in front. Take it to the side. From here, extend right to the side. Very good. We come back and we flex. And again, point the foot and go away. And flex. And again, point. And flex. And point. And flex. Very good. Come back to base. Feet in. Swap. Other way. We're gonna go extend to the side. We're gonna go point to the side and flex towards it. And point to the side. And flex. And again. Point to the side. And flex. Point to the side. And flex. Come back to center. Back in. Swap around again. This time we're going to go all the way to the back. So we extend to the back. Take a 90 degrees. We go to the side. Come back. Little towards the back leg. And in. To the side. Keep that back leg there. It's almost like you want to chase your back foot. And in. A few more. Out to the side. Chase that back leg. And towards the leg. And again. Chase that back leg. Come to the back leg. Straight, straight, and in. Swap. All the way to the back. Very good. And side. Chase the back leg. Open up the chest. Towards the leg. And again. To the side. Chase the back leg. Towards the back leg. And again, side, towards the back leg, and side, side back, side chase, towards the back leg. Very good, back to center, swap, without getting your feet stuck. From here to the side again, side. From here, twist and go over to the back. Come back, side. Again, roll forward onto the knee, towards the back leg. Push your hip down, go away. And again, around, up and over. Back. Up and over. There's a slight bend back in there, as you can see. And change. We're going to go other way. To the side. We go up and over. Chase the back leg a little bit. Bend back. Push your hip down. Extend. Again, up and over, and down, Again. Up and over to the back. And down. And again. Up and over. Push the hip down. And down. Very good. From there, open your legs. Flex your feet wherever you can get to. If you're in this position, lift it up. Very good. Nice and comfortable. From here, flex your feet. Push them out. Flex your feet. And flex your feet or your knees. And out. And in. And out. Very good. We're going to start from the beginning. Rotate, go away from the leg. So to the side. And side. Flex towards it. And side. Flex towards it. Find that flow. And out. Flex towards it. And out. Flex towards it. Very good. Change. Change. We go other way. Down. And point. Got it all wrong. And flex towards it. And out. Don't cover your face. Keep the chest open. And flex towards it. And point. Flex towards it. Come back to center. And swap. We go to the back. Back around 90 degrees. Very good. Go away. Go towards the leg. Away. Towards the leg. And away. Towards the leg. One more. And away. Towards the leg. Very good. Come back to center. Keep on breathing. Swap around. Whip it all the way to the back. Again. Go away. Towards the leg. And away. Towards it. And away. Keep your core engaged. Towards it. Away. Towards it. Very good. To the side. Super back bend to the back. And go side. Push up. Go towards the back. Back in. And out. Again. Down, up and over. And down. Again. Up and over. And down. Last one. Stay there. Hold it there. Stretch your knee. From there, put your hand down and stay in that position. You're up over that knee. Put your other leg down. Bring it towards you. Make sure that you're over the knee. Don't let it be over there. And stretch. Pull the foot towards you. Keep your abs engaged. Push your hips forward. Keep on breathing. Breathe. Release the foot. Sit back down. Come in. We do everything on the other side. Now we go to the side. Up and over the knee. Back bend. Push your hip down. and out. One more, up and over. And down, keep on breathing. Push those hips down. Down, 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 down. Stretch that knee. And down. Last one, we stay there. Stay up and over to the back. Engage the core, don't sink into your lower back. Keep on sustaining. Put your hand down. Come forward slightly. Very good. Release the knee on the floor. Bend your leg. Grab the back foot. And push it towards your bum. Keep on pushing the hips forward. Very good. Keep on breathing. Keep on breathing. Put your foot down. And come back. And come back in. Very good. From there, flex your feet in front. We release up. And we go down. Very good. From there, we twist, we grab above the knee and lower and underneath the knee. Flat everywhere. From there, point the foot, one of the feet. The other one stays flexed. We go from here, bend, extend to the side. Feel the twist. From there, we release the leg. Very good. And again, feel the twist. Bend your knee. And release down. One more. Up, up. And down. And up. And down. Come back to the leg. Ciao, my darling, you're doing the same. And flex the other foot. In between, leave the knee in between, one hand on top, one at the bottom. From there, you bend, you extend to the side. From there, and pull, and up, and push down. And again, feel the twist, up. Reach for the ceiling. Knee up. Knee down. Knee up. Knee down. Very good. Extend down, release, roll up. Legs in. Feel tall. Breathe in. And breathe out. Well done. Very well done, guys. I really hope you enjoy that and your body feels nice, stretched out and elongated. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and remember to come and check out Lazy Dancer Studio and download the Lazy Dance Tips app for exclusive workouts and workout plans. Otherwise, I'll see you next Wednesday here on YouTube. Ciao!